acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
My name is Ashley and I'm the school captain. Good morning, everyone. Could everyone please stand up for the national anthem? Please have all hats and hands by your sides. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here's Mr. Sharp with the principal's message.
Hi everyone, it's my first time this year to deliver the principal's message and it's great to be doing so. It's been great for me to go around to so many classrooms and see kids in action. Principal's message this week on behalf of the principal team. One thing that you may have noticed is over near the grade 3-4 area we've got some new toilets and that's great for the kids to use. Please use them wisely. Just a few little reminders with it. It is an out of area no play zone, so please don't play in behind that music room or those toilets. It's simply to use those toilets and then go back out of. Also, the taps in those toilets are ones that you have to twist on and off, so please ensure that you actually make sure that the water is not leaking. We're trying to be as sustainable as possible, so please ensure that you turn those taps off really well. The other thing as well, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to all the parents and guardians who have been helping out with the RAT testing program. We've had a few students identified who are asymptomatic. That's meant that we've been able to be even more COVID safe than what we have possibly would have had previously. So there's a new lot that will be coming out this week. Most will be coming to this afternoon, going home with your kids, a new set of RAT tests. They come in that box of 5. Please keep up the program. It's ensuring that we're being safe and we're looking out for one another in the community. Finally, just want to say a big thanks also to parents for making sure they're not coming on grounds. We understand that the prep parents have been able to quickly and swiftly drop kids on and off, and thank you for doing that really quickly. But at the moment, just under those COVID protocols, can you please ensure that you don't come on site for the moment. Other than that, we wish you a really fantastic week. Enjoy some of the sunny weather, and thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Sharp. Each week, students can win the Comment Awards for working really well, being kind towards others, and trying their best. They might even have shown some of the school values or a positive attitude towards others and their learning.
Good morning, everybody. It's time for our Cormorant Feather Awards. I'm going to draw out 4 lucky people who will come and have morning tea with me next week. And one of you, first one drawn out, will get a free lunch order. When you come for morning tea, you get to share in my personalised Oreos. How about that, eh? That's pretty cool. All right. First one, lunch order for Alara for working quietly at her table. It hasn't got a class here, but Lara, I'm sure you know who you are. Second one, for morning tea with me, along with Lara, will be Napelda in 3C for helping to solve a problem in the yard. Congratulations, Napelda. We need more people like you. This one is also 3C, and it's Ariana for helping clean the classroom. Well done, Ariana. Proud of you. And finally, Lawson from 3C as well. Well done, 3C. Being a kind friend to a new student. Fabulous. Great to hear. And here is Patrick.
Congratulations to all our Cormoran Award winners. My name is Patrick and I'm the school captain. Good morning, everyone. Today is Valentine's Day, but it's also Library Lovers Day. This means that library lovers all over Australia celebrate what they love about libraries. At Lyndhurst PS, we're going to celebrate all week because libraries are amazing. So when your class comes to the library this week, you will be given your coloured library lovers dot on this card. You can write down things you love about our library, or maybe what you'd love to see in our library. Here's Ashley again with an update on our new preps.
As you all know, our prep started school last week. It's an exciting time for our school. Let's take a look at how they've settled.
My name is Warren. Hi, my name's Reddit. Welcome to Prep A.
Before we go, a reminder for all classes that the Nude Food Challenge is up and running. Don't forget to mark your nude food tallies each day, and the scores will be announced each week, starting from next week. Good luck to all grades. Thank you, everyone. Have a great week. Please stay seated and wait for instructions from your teacher. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Well done. And one more time.